Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Road Mind Channel. And here you'll hear the airplane. As usual, sorry about that. Sa ating episode ngayon, tayo ay magtatagalog. Ang pag-uusapan natin ay, normal ba mapagod? Parang pagod na ako. Huwag na nating ituloy ito. Ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang pakiramdam ng pagod. Pagod sa maraming bagay, sa pag-aaral, sa pagtatrabaho, sa problema, sa kakaisip o sa kabuuan. Ngunit, ito ay normal na pakiramdam. Tao tayo eh. I'm not going to tell you what you need to feel or what you shouldn't dwell on. Because we need it. Kailangan natin to sa buhay para makapagpahinga. Dahil, sa totoo lang, kung hindi tayo pagod, sa tingin mo, magpapahinga ka? Katulad na lang sa araw-araw, gumigising tayo para gawin ng mga bagay-bagay. Pumapasok sa eskwelahan, sa trabaho, o kahit sa bahay ka lang, magluto o maglinis. Pero at the end of the day, diba, matutulog pa rin tayo? Dahil kailangan natin magpahinga. Unless, vampira ka. At yun yung hindi natin kailanman pwedeng ipagpaliban kahit anumang pinagdadaanan. At kapag nakatulog ka or nakapagpahinga ka, we feel lighter after kasi we are rested. Ganun din sa buhay. Minsan we have to take a pause and rest para gumaan ang pakiramdam kahit papano. At kapag nakapagpahinga tayo, mas lumilinaw ang pananaw natin sa buhay. Madalas ang kalaban natin sa buhay ay ang sarili lang din natin. Dahil kapag masyadong maraming nangyayari sa buhay natin, nagkakagulo sa isip natin at nakakalimutan natin na huminto para ayusin ang mga bagay sa isip natin. We often feel demotivated in life, but it's normal. We shouldn't hesitate to take a pause, because sometimes when things don't go our way, it is God directing us to a better path. Kaya don't push yourself too hard. Pasensya na at may halong English to. It's just for me to feel natural, mas raw. Parang magkaibigan lang tayo. Nasaan ba tayo? So, don't push yourself too hard. Kaya, when you feel sad and tired, it's okay. You should learn how to accept and normalize it in your life. Because even if you don't want it and reject it multiple times, you can't change it. This may not apply to someone who is not religious, but it's also a way to feel closer to God. Because in nature, we are self-invested. Sa totoo lang, ang lagi naman talaga nating inuuna ay ang sarili natin. If we are too happy and contented every single day, do you think you will ever talk to God? Maybe once or twice, but later on, forget about him. Just like when we lose someone, at first it's super painful. But after years pass by, yes, we still remember them. But whenever something good is happening to us, we don't remember them as much as we need it. It's part of life, our human nature. Kaya okay lang yan. Huminto ka lang at huminga. Just take a break. It's okay. Then after that, laban ulit. At yun lang. Doon na nagtatapos. Salamat sa pakikinig at naway maging masaya ka sa buhay mo. Kung may mga bagay na gusto nyo ng payo, idea mula sa akin, please feel free to comment below, or if you want to be anonymous, you can send me an email, which is gonna be available on the description. Again, thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ciao.